Oh boy, here we go. On our way. So yeah, this morning we're going to pick up 2 stepping stones. Got a lady that wants her side of her yard fixed where it's washing out real bad. We're gonna add some river rock in there, and river rock and a couple of stepping stones. We're headed to the stone yard now to get a few materials and head over there. So I gotta get, for this job, I'm gonna get a little bit of this egg size rock, and I'm gonna get a little bit of this bigger size rock here. Got my little trailer today. Huh?
Think about that.
What's that? I think we're gonna max out this little trailer today. It's gonna be a lot of weight for this thing. Huh? Hey, good morning, man. Maybe too much weight.
What, 1.5?
Yeah, it's about 1. Maxed out right there. Okay, we're gonna work in this lady's backyard over here. She has a lot of washout. Ooh, it's really, really slick. Hey, this is really slick back here, Jeremy. Hey, hey, man. It's really slick back here. We gotta figure a way how to do this. Yeah, I'd say probably tote real small loads down here, you know. So we got starting inside the fence here. This area's washing real bad. She has all this pine straw, all this washing through here real bad and getting up on the steps down there. So I told her what we'll do is, this is okay right here, but she said she wants a way to step off here with her dogs too, trampling in mud. We got 2 stones we're going to put here, one there, and then all the rest we're going to put river rock. That way it doesn't wash. And we're going to try to put some between these cracks here, in between where it's washing real bad, you know. It'll go down to about right in there. So once we get this dug out, then we'll see how we can do this, make it look pretty for her. The trick is getting the rock back down here. Yeah, I don't know if, oh, that's really slick right there. You can't go that way there. No way. It's got to be through here. That way. So we're gonna take all this rock and put it back there, and we got a couple of stepping stones we're gonna put back there, those two there. All right, fun's gonna begin. A lot of it right here. More pine straw than rock, man. The idea, what we're doing here, is trying to make it look natural. We got some of these stones over here, and trying to create a pathway plus direct the water here in the middle where it doesn't wash the steps out is what I'm going to try to attempt to do. But it's hard to accomplish both. Have a step. She's going to have a wide step over right here, but that's all I can do. But I got those stones there, and we are digging out, or I'm digging out, to allow for the rock around the steps right here where it's washing out so bad. And I got to be able to put them in there where hopefully the dog doesn't knock them loose, you know. And we're going to take this little the swell down through here underneath the deck. I got to make sure that I don't have this water wash out the post, which is not going to, because these things have a ton of concrete around them. And what I usually do on my job, I come back every 6 months and I check on things, see how things are going. But this shouldn't be a problem once you know, the water starts coming out through it, because these things are surrounded by almost 2 feet wide of concrete, and it shouldn't cause an issue. But like I say, I check on things regularly, and if something needs to be tweaked or whatever, I'll come back and fix it or whatever. But this will work a lot better than this right here, washing this out, because this is dangerous. It's slick. It's causing mud to get on top of these steps, and that's really dangerous. So this is my only option to do. Okay, just want to show another video. This is a little bit of a work to do this job here, but we got it under control. It's coming into place now where I'm going to try to direct the water this way underneath this deck. First, not bothering the post, and then I'm going to try to keep it away from here, and we're going to kind of see how these steps are really freaking slick, man. It's dangerous. And you can see all the dirt and silt getting on them, you know. But once we get done, we're going to take a water hose and wash it off where it's real pretty and clean. And hopefully between a mixture of the big and small ones, it'll hold up to this, you know, keep it from washing, because this was the worst part. There was no real wash up beyond this part right there up. It was just right here, you know. So hopefully it'll hold up. And you see I got a little swell right there, and she'll have to kind of jump, be a long stride to get to that step. But that's all I could do right there. I couldn't bring this no closer. It's best I could do, you know. Landscaping is basically using your common sense and using design. Just kind of, every job is different, you know. And the difference in us is that we actually create an actual swell. Some people just put this stuff on top of the ground and your water goes around the rock, and they have no clue on how to do a drain. But when you do a drain like this, you actually have to dig it down to where the water goes into the ditch. But all right, well, the next video will probably be us finishing up. 25 stack is 30 seconds maybe. Almost only have 15 clicks on this thing.
This is the finished product. I added those 2 stepping stones. I went through there, went through here to help with water flow. All these down, all this rock right here. It turned out really well.